Hey guys, it's Rhonda. So today I want to thank Miss Carol Blake for this amazing refreshing juice recipe that she posted in 90-Day Lifestyle Bootcamp. It's a group we have on Facebook where we support each other. We eat healthy. We just encourage each other. We post content that's helpful in the group. And Carol posted this recipe. Okay, it has turmeric in it. And I've always been wanting to start to drink some sort of a turmeric type juice, but I never really got around to it. And she posted this, and I happened to have all the ingredients at home, and I went ahead and make it. And guys, let me tell you, this juice or beverage, it is off the chain. Like, it is so, there's just like the turmeric is just so refreshing. Then the lime just creates like this amazing taste. And then with the honey, oh my gosh, and the ginger, oh, it's so good. So you definitely have to try this recipe. Once again, Carol Blake from 90-Day Lifestyle Bootcamp group on Facebook. Thank you so much for posting. Guys, go ahead and post your recipes. Post what you're having for lunch, breakfast, dinner. And let us continue to support each other as we continue to live a better, healthier life and be the best we can and live our best lives. You can follow the group on Facebook, or you can join the group. You can go to 90-Day Lifestyle Bootcamp, or you can go to my YouTube channel, Rad Event 1. Subscribe on there, and I always point everyone back to the bootcamp group on Facebook. All right, guys, thank you. I'm gonna go ahead and finish drinking this. So refreshing, perfect for Florida weather. All right, take care, y'all.